Hey everyone, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning the 2 bathrooms in my home. I hope this gives you some good cleaning motivation, and if you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe. I typically start cleaning my bathrooms by just picking up the countertops and getting out all of the dirty clothes, and then I move on to the actual cleaning. I'd been so busy lately, this bathroom definitely needed a lot of extra help, and since my son was taking a really good nap, that's why I was able to actually clean both bathrooms back to back, which normally I can't do.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone could wear a blindfold.
Cleaning both bathrooms in our home usually takes me a solid hour when I'm doing them both at the same time, or back to back I should say. So let me know down in the comments below, how long does it take you to clean your bathrooms in your home, and do you have some sort of routine set up for cleaning your bathrooms?
All I know is this is where my heart is.
I would also love any recommendations you guys have on glass cleaners. Right here I'm using the Method Mint glass cleaner, and it's okay. I do like the smell a lot, and so does my husband, but it just doesn't do the most amazing job. It's not bad. I'm certainly going to finish the bottle and use it all up before I get a new one, but I would love to know if you guys have any glass cleaners that you feel like work really well. One tip I have for cleaning your bathroom, and also this applies to the kitchen too, make sure you're leaving your anti-bac spray on long enough. The back of the bottle will tell you how long the manufacturer thinks it should stay on your countertop. This one is at least 5 minutes. It said preferably 10 minutes though, so I just sprayed it on and moved on to cleaning other areas to let the anti-bac sit on the countertop long enough, and that way it was actually killing the germs. Sometimes I get in such a hurry to just get the cleaning over with that I spray the anti-bac and then immediately wipe it up, which that's better than nothing, but it's definitely a good idea to let it sit a little bit longer. My other tip for cleaning bathrooms is to use the top to bottom approach. So start by cleaning top things like the mirror, the countertops, then work your way to the toilet and save the floor for last. That way everything's staying clean after you've cleaned it. For instance, you don't want to clean and scrub your floors and then clean your toilet, because then you could be splashing or contaminating your floors again. So that's my bathroom tip. Just go from top to bottom and then everything will stay cleaner longer. Contaminated sounds like such a serious word, but bathrooms are gross, you guys. Oh my gosh, or at least I feel like mine are. So that's my tip. Let me know, do you guys use the top to bottom approach when you're cleaning?
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
have to say, for how much I love cleaning the kitchen sink, I do not feel that same joy with the bathroom sink, although I do love this bathroom when the counters and sink are clean, just because the white looks so much better and shinier, and I just feel so much better walking in there.
Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
I was so bummed when I was cleaning because I had ran out of my microfiber cloths. They were all dirty and I had a load going in the wash already, so I had to switch over to paper towels to get the bathroom clean, and I was so bummed. I'm trying to be so much better and use less paper towels when I clean. It's been my goal this year, and I'm doing better. We're using less paper towels, but still need to make sure that I'm keeping up with my laundry routine. That way I always have some cloths clean. While I was dusting the cabinets, I had sprayed some anti-bac on the floor surrounding the toilet, and I was just letting that sit for a few minutes before wiping it up.
And you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
It's always such a good idea to give the doorknobs in your bathroom a really good scrub down with anti-bac as well, especially with us heading into the fall and people are going to be having colds more frequently. I wanted to make sure I got those nice and clean.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love.
Let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite thing to clean in the bathroom and what is your least favorite thing about cleaning the bathroom? I would love to know.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like?
Here, as you can see, I've moved on to the shower, and I'm not actually going to be giving it a complete scrub down right here. The way our shower is designed, it's really so much easier to clean it from inside the shower, so we've just been cleaning it while we shower. I use the Method shower cleaner. It works okay. It leaves a little bit of residue on our shower. I don't know if it's because we have a shower insert instead of tile, but it works okay. And like I said, we've been just cleaning it while we're in the shower because it's so much easier.
And I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
It's just what we use to clean the shower. Like I said, it's the Method shower cleaner. It's the daily shower cleaner, and then I picked up that scrub brush at the Dollar Tree.
It's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
This is my favorite part of cleaning probably any room, including the bathrooms. I love vacuuming. This vacuum has made it so much easier, so much more enjoyable, and so now vacuuming is one of my favorite things to do around the house. I kid you not, like, I love vacuuming. And now this bathroom is all done, grabbing coffee and moving on to bathroom number 2.
Told him how I feel about him.
This is our son's bathroom as well as our guest bathroom whenever we have anyone stay over. So you'll see a bunch of his toys in the tub. It's so cute. I was just taking them out so that I could get them clean and dry, and then I'll move on to cleaning the entire bathroom.
He doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he
And this made me smile. I had taken everything out of the tub because I needed to, or I thought I needed to scrub down the tub, and then I realized my husband had done it the night before when he was getting ready to give our son a bath, and so I didn't actually have to clean the tub. I was so happy, and it actually saved me a lot of time. So thank you to him. That was a nice surprise.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the
Again, just getting the countertops cleaned up like I did in the other bathroom. That huge kit that was sitting on the counter is actually because my husband had gotten poison ivy this summer. It was absolutely horrible. He had come in contact with it in our backyard unknowingly when he was cutting down a tree, and you guys, it was horrible. I'd never known anyone who had poison ivy before, and I thought, oh, okay, you'll be really itchy for a few days and then it'll go away. But no, you guys, it was way worse than that. And so we had a whole kit set up of things that were helping him deal with the poison ivy, and it set him back for a couple of weeks. Let me know, have you known anyone, or have you ever had poison ivy? Because it was just an awful experience, and it actually got us talking to some of our neighbors, and it sounds like up here people are coming into contact with it a lot, especially in the summer. And when the builders team was actually working on building our subdivision, the entire crew came into contact with poison ivy one day, and they all had to stop working for an entire week. It was awful. So like I said, let me know down below, have you ever had poison ivy?
We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
Here I'm actually wiping down most of the door with the anti-bac spray. It's not something that I do every time I clean the bathrooms, but when I was down there picking up this shampoo and stuff, I had noticed that the door just looked really dirty. Sometimes my son walks by and taps it with whatever snack he's eating, so wanted to make sure that got all clean. So I did both sides, and it looks a lot better now. But do you guys have that where you suddenly look at a wall or a door in your home and you're like, yep, some tiny little human walked past this and dragged their wet graham cracker right across the door? Does anybody else have this happen in their home? Let me know.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold you.
I'm almost done, and I was so excited to be almost done cleaning that I completely overfilled the soap container, which is why you see me washing it right here. So real life moment, way overfilled it. When I put the lid back on, it spilled out everywhere on the counter. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here today. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you loved this video, please like and comment down below. And if you haven't, I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. See you guys soon.